Good evening, my dear students. Welcome to Unacademy Plus. Unacademy is India's largest learning and teaching platform. This is very useful for those who are appearing for the examination 2021 aspirants for Karnataka region and NEET aspirants. So myself, Dr. B. Ranganath, so educator in Unacademy Plus. This is YouTube classes for chemistry. This is my referral code Ranga Kemvaral 5265. Are you a Plus subscriber? What are the benefits of Plus subscribers? Premium content at affordable price, structural live courses plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions available, pages at regular intervals for self-analysis, test series for DPPs, daily practice problems, full length mock test will be completed with complete analysis, single subscription for unlimited access. Other benefits of Plus subscriber: 20 plus top educators, 10 plus batches, 250 plus courses, 2000 plus lessons, and many more added every day. So everything under single subscription only, students. And next, best plans for the Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants. 12 months plan at the rate of available here, and 6 months plan also available. So this is rankers batch and master batch. In these two batches, so I will be teach in chemistry, and other educators will teach physics, mathematics, and zoology. Daily T20 practice test series for Karnataka CET 2021 and 2022. So this is already started on November 2nd in 2020. So daily test 20 questions in 20 minutes. Take a live test and get leaderboard ranking. Evaluate your performance. Attempt later multiple times. Practice regularly and gain confidence for exams. So this is available for free only. And next, Karnataka batch 2.0 for Karnataka CET. This is rankers batch. I will be three entire first PUC and second PUC, whether it has a physical, inorganic, and organic. So other educators will teach physics and mathematics and biology. So crack Karnataka CET with batches. Evaluate under means learning from top educators of Karnataka CET for the preparation in depth analysis of topics, full syllabus coverage, dedicated doubt clearing sessions, evaluate your understanding through quizzes and tests. So this batch already started in January 18th. So this is how to test a series. So download the Unacademy app, search Karnataka CET or go for the unacademy.com. So you can follow these steps. You can attempt it a live test series. So today I am going to discuss about how to approach inorganic chemistry. How to approach inorganic chemistry. This is very important. I will give you the four tips, students. Okay, you can follow these four tips. You can definitely. So you are perfect 90 to 100% if you're perfect for inorganic chemistry. Okay. So first tip. What is the first tip in this? Read NCRT. Read NCRT. This is the most important point. So read NCRT 2 to 3 times. 2 to 3 times. First of all, read NCRT clearly means each and every line in this inorganic chemistry. Read carefully for 2 to 3 times in NCRT textbook for inorganic only. And next, what are the important of NCRT? So here in organic chemistry, 90% questions are came from only NCRT in inorganic only. 90% mostly 90% questions are came from only NCRT textbooks. That's why you can read carefully for 3 to 2. That means 2 to 3 times or 4 times also. And one more important point in this inorganic chemistry is NCRT. Which one is given in NCRT with inorganic chemistry? Reactions given in NCRT is most important. reactions, reactions given in NCERT, given in NCERT is most important. You can practice every reactions. You can practice in text and exemplar form problems. Exemplar problems on NCERT. Problems on NCERT. This is the most important. You can practice in text and exemplar problems. So that's why I will give the first choice to NCERT only. I will give the first choice. First choice for only NCERT. First choice. Only first choice for NCERT only. So if you perfect for NCERT, for example, if you can perfect for NCERT, you can better to go for reference. So better to go for reference. Better to go for reference books. Reference books. Reference books. What are the reference? So when it is, if you're perfect means 100% perfect in the NCERT, you can better go for the reference books like O.P. Tandon. O.P. Tandon. O.P. Tandon. The Inorganic Chemistry by O.P. Tandon. It covers almost all syllabus. It covers almost all syllabus. Almost all syllabus. All syllabus. It covers it almost all syllabus for O.P. Tandon. After completing theory, you can practice also. So here in this multiple choice questions, MCQ also given problems on OP Tandon, more problems like PYQs. PYQs means previous year question papers and some important problems we can practice on OP Tandon after the completion of NCERT only. And other reference books are, for example, JDL. JDL is also its most important book, reference books for inorganic chemistry. Most important one, JDL. So this book has lots of MCQs. Means lot of MCQs having. Lot of MCQs, multiple choice questions are there in this. So that's why this will help you. Means clear most of you can entire doubts also clear in this JDL book. So these are the reference books. And first tip, what is the first tip? So read NCERT, that is the first. After the completion of NCERT, you can go for reference books like OP Tandon and ZDL. Okay, clear. And next, what are the second tip? Periodic table. Periodic table. What is the second tip for periodic table means? So you can practice means you can by heart for every group ma. First A to 8th A group. Why I am saying ma? Because of if your every group is known for every element means you can easily solve in the any competitive examination. For example, sometimes are given 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, or 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. So which one is the means which group? The type of questions. Okay, so here we can by heart the all groups elements in this periodic table. First A, what are the first A? From hydrogen to lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. And next 8th A group also. Helium, so first helium 2 and next radon, up to radon. Like that first A, second A, fourth, third A, fourth A, every group element by heart it. And one more is in your reading room, in your students, in your reading cell or in your reading room, opposite face of your chair, face the periodic table map. paste the periodic table. Paste the periodic table in the opposite chair of in your reading cell. Because of at least to observe every day, at least once a time. Observe for every day. Observe. Observe the table. Definitely you can perfect for periodic table. So what are the first point? Paste the periodic table in your reading room. That is the most important. Observe the table. What are the elements present in first A? What are the elements present in second A and third A? Okay, it is most important, my dear student. Okay, in examination, some elements are given in examination, but you can by heart this every group element. You can easily solve the every problem. For example, in this nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine is given, carbon is given. So here our first ionization energy is asking. Which one is more ionization energy? First of all, you don't know about this nitrogen is which group. In ionization energy, in a period from left to right increases, in a group from decreases. Therefore, arrangement of elements into groups and periods is most important. Carbon is a fourth group family, nitrogen is a fifth group family, oxygen is a sixth group family, and fluorine is a seventh group family. That is the most important. So this is a period. In this period, the ionization energy increases from left to right. But here exceptional case is there. Nitrogen is more ionization energy than the oxygen because of off-field electron configuration. Leave it that way. So that's why I said you can by heart this every group element. You can observe what are transition elements, what are inner transition elements, what are a block, where it is placed, what are representation of elements, S and P block elements. So that is the most important one in periodic table. Okay. So by heart this periodic table, not totally periodic table. I am asking about at least you can by heart the every group element from 1 to 30 atomic number also by heart it. That is the most important. In total inorganic chemistry, in this total inorganic chemistry is mainly depends upon the periodic table. Periodic table, it can means if the periodic table is remember in your mind, you can definitely easily solving for based upon the periodic table for inorganic chemistry. Okay, so that is the most important my dear student. So this is the second tip. And next third tip, how to read S and P block elements and how to read D and F block elements. How to read S and P block elements. So that is the most important. This is the third tip. So what is the third tip? In this S and P block elements, first of all. S and P block elements. So in this S and P block elements, okay. For example, to observe this previous analysis question paper, which asking for in this S block elements, which topic is asking mainly in the P block element. That is the most important. Practice in this S and P block elements mostly in given NCERT, in a given NCERT, practice for every reaction, practice for every reaction. That is the most important. For example, Haber process, contact process, Ostwald process. What are the reactions going on this reaction? The type of reactions. So practice the not only preparation. You can practice chemical reactions also. Practice for every reaction. Practice for every reaction. This is the most important in this S and P block elements. For example, to observe this S block elements, in this S block elements, only first A and second A group elements are present in this S block. S block. So here, for example, to observe this one most important topic, borax. Borax. What is the molecular formula of borax? Why it is known as tinkal? Means tinkal. So tinkal is also known as borax. So that type of topic, Na2B4, Na2B4O7, Na2B4O7 or H2O H2O is also borax, or 10H2O is a borax. In this borax, what is the hybridization of boron in this? That is also most important one. For example, this is the structure of borax. Here four boron atoms. Here four boron atoms. Here oxygen. So here also oxygen. Here also oxygen. Here also oxygen. Here oxygen. Oxygen. How many oxygens? Six oxygens are over before O, Na2 before O7 H2O. So here and next one more is, so here also Na2 before O7. Okay, so here if OH groups are present here, then H2O. Here this is excess charge, means this carbon is sp3 hybridization, but this carbon is sp2 hybridization. It is very important in this concept, my dear student. In the borax, two types of hybridization is possible. Two types of hybridization is possible. One is sp3 and another one is sp2 hybridization. So that type of main important topics you can practice for every reactions in the SLP block elements, in especially S block elements. So which one is most important topic? Which one is more concentrated on the last previous analysis? That is the most important. Okay. And next, in P block elements, select the important topics in this P block elements. For example, in the fourth group family, to observe this fourth group family, in this fourth group family, diamond, diamond and graphite, diamond and graphite. In diamond, what type of hybridization is possible? In graphite, what type of hybridization possible? Are silicates, silicates, silicates are silicones. This topic is also important. What is the hybridization of silicates and silicones? Okay, what is the hybridization of diamond and graphite? Which one is more conductivity for electricity? Which one is bad conductor of electricity? Which one is good conductor of electricity? That type of questions. So in these P block elements, especially in the fourth group family, a diborane, diborane, diborane. It's very important topic, B2H6. In this, what is the hybridization of diborane boron? Boron is an electron deficient compound. Definitely it is possible for sp3 hybridization, but it is a sp2 hybridization. Why it is possible for sp3? And what is borosine? Borosine. What is borosine? Borosine is also called as inorganic benzene. Inorganic benzene. Borosine is also known as inorganic benzene. B3N3H6. B3N3H6. This is called inorganic benzene. So this type of topics are most important in inorganic chemistry in the fourth group family. And the next fifth group family. In this fifth group family, what are the important points of fifth group family? So in this fifth group family, oxy means phospho-oxy acids, H3PO3, H3PO4, H3PO4, orthophosphoric acid, orthophosphorus acid. Okay, this type of structures. It is a monobasic acid or dibasic acid, that type of questions. So you can practice every phosphoric acids formula with complete hybridization, with complete. That is the most important points in this fifth group family. And Haber process. What is Haber process? Haber process. Which catalyst is used in this Haber process? Here synthesis of ammonia is Haber process. How many moles of nitrogen? How many moles of hydrogen? Which one is the catalyst in this Haber process? Which one is the promoter? Which one is the inhibitor? That type of questions in the fifth group elements. So that's why I said again and again, you can practice more than 4 times. It's also better to for in every inorganic chemistry. To observe this, oxy acids of sulfurs, oxy acids, oxy acids of sulfur. It is very important. For example, carric acid H2SO5 or Marshall acid H2S2OH. Okay, what is the structure here? How many OH groups are present? How many peroxy linkage is present? What is the oxidation state of sulfur in peroxy acid and Marshall acid? Means peroxy monosulfuric acid, peroxy disulfuric acid. Peroxy monosulfuric acid is Marshall acid. Peroxy disulfuric acid is Carus acid. This is peroxy monosulfuric acid is Carus. This is Marshall acids. Marshall acid. Peroxy disulfuric acid. This type of topics are very important, my dear students. So you can practice for every inorganic reaction. What is the importance? And next, seventh group family. In this seventh group family, interhalogen compounds. In this seventh group family, seventh group family, interhalogen compounds. Interhalogen compounds. What are the hybridization of interhalogen compounds? How it is formed interhalogen compounds? And next, eighth group family. In this eighth group family, xenon oxyfluorides or xenon trioxides, like that. These two are very important. Xenon oxy compounds and xenon fluorides. XCF2, XCF4, XCF6. What is the hybridization of XCF2? What is the hybridization of XCF4? What is the hybridization of XCF4, X6, F6? This type of questions are arising in this periodic table, in this P block elements, in the especially groups. You can means you can by heart this for every group element. You can definitely perfect for inorganic chemistry. For inorganic chemistry. Okay, so clear. So this is the most important concepts in this inorganic chemistry. Hello, hello. Okay, clear. Uh, so that's why I said read NCRT perfect for in every reactions in the inorganic chemistry. In inorganic chemistry, 90% questions came from inorganic only. To observe this physical and inorganic, only may be expected the questions from organic and inorganic. Physical is only 80 to 75 to 80% only. Okay, that's why you can read perfect in this NCRT. You can definitely you can achieve your goal. You can definitely so you can expected rank. You can get definitely. And next, what are the fourth tip? In this fourth tip, elements and coordination chemistry. This is the most important, students. In F and D block, properties are very important. In these physical properties, what are the important points in this? For example, complex formation. Complex formation. Why D block element? And second one is variable oxidation state. Variable oxidation state. And next, color properties. Color properties. Color properties. And next, interstitial compounds. Interstitial compounds. Interstitial compounds properties and magnetic properties. Magnetic properties. Magnetic properties. So these are very important concepts. How it is formed complex formation by using this D block elements only. Why it is possible for variable oxidation state and color properties. So how it will decides which one is color, which one is colorless. That is the most important in D and F block elements. And oxidation state and electronic configuration. In the to observe this in last previous analysis question paper, so many times are asking, for example, gadolinium. Gadolinium. What is the electron configuration for gadolinium? Atomic number 64. What is the electron configuration for lutetium? What is the electron configuration for lanthanum? 57. Lutetium 71. So this type of questions is mainly came from in this F and D and F block elements. Okay, so that's why we can practice each and every point in the NCERT of inorganic chemistry. Okay, so this is the fourth trip. And one more important point in this coordination compounds. Coordination compounds in this most important topic. Coordination compound. It's very interesting and most important topic in the inorganic chemistry. So here repeatedly asking 1, 2, 3 questions for every competitive examination to observe this Karnataka CET level 1 to 2, 1 times, sometimes 3 times, sometimes 1 times also. In JEE and NEET also. Definitely 2 questions or 1 questions. Coordination compounds. So based upon the Werner's theory means which one is primary valency, which one is secondary valency, that type of questions. And based upon the IUPAC. So given a given complex, what is the name of this IUPAC name of this complex? And isomerism. Isomerism is very important in this concept. Ionization isomerism, linkage isomerism, and next coordinate isomerism, hydrate isomerism, linkage isomerism, coordinate isomerism, chelate isomerism, chelate, isomerism. So the important for isotopic in a given complex, for example, nickel tetracyanide. This is the complex according to VBT. Nickel is a paramagnetic nature or diamagnetic nature. It is a colorless or color. Paramagnetic or colorless or color. Colorless or color. Colorless or color. So this type of questions are based upon the VBT. How many isomers are possible for given complex? How many isomers? How many isomers possible for given complex? That type of question. In CFT, crystal field theory, in this crystal field theory, so stability order, stability, which one is more? One is more stabilization energy, crystal field stabilization energy, depending upon the tetrahedral, tetrahedral or octahedral and tetrahedral and octahedral, whether it has tetrahedral or octahedral. So based upon the crystal field theory, octahedral, why EZ orbitals are higher energy level. In tetrahedral complexes, why T2Z orbitals are higher energy level. So what is CFSC in this tetrahedral complex? And the type of questioning is most important in this coordination chemistry. So these are the 4 tips to how to approach inorganic chemistry. We can follow these steps. We can definitely 100% assurance. I will give the 100% assurance. You can follow these steps only. You can definitely 90% above marks will get in inorganic chemistry only because of every point, each and every point is came from only NCERT. If you can perfect for NCERT, you can go for the reference books. Without knowing of NCERT, you don't go for the reference books, OP Tandon or JDL. First of all, for what is your duty for in this first? You can read 2 to 3 times or 4 times also even. Read carefully for NCERT. Okay. So these are the 4 steps how to approach a inorganic chemistry student. Thanks for watching my dear student. So this is for master batch. I will be teaching chemistry and other educators will teach mathematics and biology and physics. This batch already started on December 15th. Next, best plans for the Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants. 12 months plan at the rate of 12,375. Here 1 month plan also available. 6